When Acting Director General at the Ministry of Health, Dr. Patrick Amoth, got his chance to explain his role in the KEMSA procurement scandal before the National Assembly Public Investments Committee, it was clear that the procurement process at KEMSA was doomed from the start.
Wouldn't it be logical that they would require your technical information as to how much would be necessary for the prevention of a specific infectious diseases?
Correct.
Was this the case during this transaction?
No, that never came through.
Dr. Amoth insisting that his office was not involved in any dealings that KEMSA undertook.
Would you want to share with us, would you want to discuss with us the integrity of that procurement in terms of whether it was driven by the need that faced the country at that particular time?
If it was driven by the need the country faced at that particular time, then KEMSA would have sought the Ministry of Health technical advice in terms of the number of cases we expect.
His technical advice, Dr. Amoth says, was never given as it was never sought. The committee finding it hard to understand why the quantification of PPEs and other essentials was never discussed.
Even as of today, no one has documented and said, this is now what we need.
Chair, I think that information ought to have come from the COVID task force, because we even had a committee on logistics, which was supposed to be able to assist. And KEMSA was sitting in that committee.
The breach of due process seemingly sending KEMSA on a procurement spree, as was discussed by the Senate Health Committee, who had a difficult time comprehending how a company, Shop and Buy, was awarded a 970 million shillings tender despite being registered on the 14th February.
We have got millions of young Kenyans who registered their company today, and it will take them 10 years before they can supply anything to any company.
We only got a commitment letter, and we did our deliveries. The tendering process has not started, Chair.
That raising further questions with the committee members questioning whether a person of influence was involved.
We made deposits to our suppliers in China, who trusted us, because we actually showed them the commitment letter from KEMSA, and the commitment became our bond, and we got the goods.
The committee, unconvinced by the Shop and Buy CEO's answers, he was asked to provide proof of having worked with a businessman from China before. EACC Chairman Eliud Wabukala saying the first phase of investigations is complete.
Phase 1 ilikuwa ni deal na wale maofisa ambao